Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the FORNIHE Ultrasonic Bark Suppressor. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course, let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get the box open here, some after-sales information. Not sure what that is yet. User manual. Wall mounting capabilities. USB-A to USB-C charging, and eventually this will come out just very solid in there. All right, it's coming eventually. Not sure if that's, again, for mounting in a different way, more of a suction cup type mount. I'm assuming that's what it is. You peel that and then hang if you need to hang it. You're going to have your charging port right there, DC 6 volt only, it's saying. Once we get it, I don't know if it's, guess it's not charged, so let's get it charging. As you can see, there's a red light there. I'm not sure what this is. Not entirely sure why I need a cleaning cloth, other than maybe just keeping this area clean and maybe this, because I do believe we'll get it powered up or charged up first, and then we'll work through the powering. So now that it's fully charged up, you're literally just going to hold that power button down for 3 seconds. That should go on, and from there you're going to just adjust your level. Whether you want it strong or light. I'm probably going to start about 5 or 6 and just kind of allow my dog to react based on that and adjust from there. So we'll test it out and I'll let you know how it goes. So this thing's been going for about 2 weeks now, and it's really, I keep it on a level about where my dog is. As you can see, it's right by our entrance, so when the mailman comes or when people come in, he's gonna respond to that. When he barks, it you know, emits its sounds. I've turned off the light because the flashing light kind of annoyed me, but it does have an option there. So he's been immensely better. He's just not barking anymore, and if he does, he stops very quickly. So he loves it because he's calmer now when people are at the door, and I love it. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you, and thanks for watching.